If you pay for SSL certificates annually, monthly, or ever at all, with all due respect, you're crazy. Long gone are the days that we need to pay GoDaddy or some crazy, registrar for SSL. You can generate them yourself for free, or better yet, what I'm going to show you in this video is get them free for life, automatically renew, and you don't have to worry about SSL ever again. So this is a product from Microsoft called Azure Static Web Apps. It is free. So if you look at the pricing right off the bat, free, you get 100 gig bandwidth, monthly, 0.5 gig storage. So hopefully you have a website that's smaller than that. Most people do, even if they have hundreds of pages. And you get 2 custom domains free and free SSL certificates, which automatically renew and all of that. But the custom domains is so incredible. And that's all free, right? If you wanted something more robust, you just change the subscription. But never again do you have to pay for SSL or domain linking or anything like that, or hosting. Kind of done. Just Azure Static Web Apps. You don't have to be a fan or proponent of Azure. You can essentially just get this service and use it for free. If you take a look at what you can do, you can pretty much any static content you want, HTML, React, Vue, Angular, Blazor, or any static site generator, HTML, anything that you want that doesn't require a server connection, that essentially will either call an API or not, or just your brochure page like we did for the Codeplay Culture podcast. This is on Azure Static Web Apps. And, you can go to listen now, the various platforms, contact us, etc. Just a single, page. And if you take a look at this is the, the site that they give you, the URL. I brought in these 2, set one is default, and good to go. The SSL handles automatically. You can't go there without SSL, and it will automatically renew till the end of time. If you type in this without the www, because that's the default, it'll go there. So already you have the www and non-www mapped properly. There is no cost to any of this stuff, and there's tons of extra features if you want to get into other environments and all that stuff, but this is free for life. Just had to develop this, or you can, literally Google Bootstrap 5 web template. That's free. Add your company stuff to it, anything you want in HTML, publish it, and everything is free. The only thing you'd probably have to pay for is if you bought a domain from like Namecheap or GoDaddy or whatever. You always have to do that. You can buy it right from Azure if you want, and linking it is even easier. I use Namecheap, but obviously you have to buy domains, haven't got away from that, but no, do not pay for SSL. Do not renew SSL annually. Do not do any of that stuff. If you have a static web app that you want to just host somewhere indefinitely till the end of time, they have also extra stuff where you can put it on the edge for enterprise grade edge stuff. If you want it to be regionally closer to the user all over the world, and lots of room for growth. Also, you get some functions right away for free that you can use. So when you look in the Azure Static Web App, you can actually have some server-side elements, like functions are like Lambdas in AWS, which you pay per use. But if you're not using any of those functions or anything, like this one, for example, just a simple brochure site with links, or if you wanted to make a resume site or anything like that, if you have a business, never pay for any of that stuff. If you're paying for SSL, don't do it. Azure Static Web Apps, put anything you want there, HTML, JavaScript, any kind of front-end framework, static content, whatever you want. Hope you found that helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.